Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, introduces the new Force 2 dual tailpipe exhaust system for the 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door and 4-door models equipped with a 3.6-liter engine. This bolt-on axle back system features a 2.5-inch mandrel bend tubing, durable 409S stainless steel construction, and our specially tuned 80 series cross-flow muffler. It's then finished off with a pair of 4-inch black ceramic-coated stainless steel tips with the embossed Flowmaster logo. As a Force 2 system is best suited for owners who are really looking to maximize the potential of their Jeep Wrangler, and each system is dyno tuned for maximum performance. This Flowmaster Force 2 exhaust system is perfect for the person looking for a modern exterior and mild interior sound with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster. So if you're looking to dress up the look of your Jeep Wrangler along with the added performance benefits and affordability of an axle back system, then this system is for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.